Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up title tracker on your Skullcandy Evo wireless headphones in case if you ever lose them. So first of all, let's open up our Play Store or App Store. Depends on whatever you're using, right? And now in our search bar, let's search for the title app. Right, so find this title, make everything findable, and press install. Give it a few seconds to install. Alright, as we installed the device, now let's press open and press get started. Press title devices, and now you are to sign up. So if you don't have any account, if you have an account already, press sign in. If you're not, simply enter an email and create a password. Alright, so now we are to give a necessary permission, such as allow nearby devices so tile can work properly. Press allow, press next, press while using the app. Now you are to set up a location access, so press next, press allow all the time. Now go back. Now we need to confirm your location, so press continue. Usually app does this automatically, right? So press next, press allow, press next. Alright, so as we are signed in, now make sure to turn on your headphones by pressing this button for 3 seconds, and let's enter them in a pairing mode by pressing simultaneously the volume up and volume down for like 3 seconds. This will turn our headphones into a pairing mode. Now, if they're in a pairing mode, press edit device, press title devices, press next, and give it a few seconds. Right now, our application detected our headphones, so press yes, activate title. And now let's verify our headphones. So to do that, we need to quickly press the power on off and play pause button at the same time. Right, so now tile is activated. Let's press next. And now we've got our Find Your Crusher Evo option. So now if you'll ever lose your headphones, you can simply open up this application, find this option, and press find. Right, now our headphones make some noise, so we can find them. Let's press done. Press skip. So now if you ever lose our headphones, once again, simply open up our tile application, find your headphones, make sure that you're connected to them via Bluetooth, otherwise this method won't work, and press find. Press done. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.